हेलो नमस्ते, माय नेम इज निधि नागौरी एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम जिस टॉपिक पर बात कर रहे हैं ये मेरे दिल के बहुत ही करीब है, जो कि है एग्जाम्स और उससे जुड़ी हुई प्रेशर। मैं बहुत अच्छी स्टूडेंट रही हूँ स्कूल में, तो हमेशा से मुझे फर्स्ट आने की आदत सी थी। बचपन में तो प्रेशर फील होता नहीं था, जैसे जैसे समझ आती गई, बड़ी होती गई, वैसे वैसे प्रेशर फील होने लगा। जब लाइफ में पहले प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम लिखी, जो कि था सीए का सीपीटी, और उसमें रैंक नहीं आया, तो लोगों से बहुत कुछ सुनने को मिला। सबसे ज्यादा ये कि शायद तुम्हारे लिए राइट कोर्स नहीं है, क्योंकि तुम्हारे जैसे बच्चे का तो रैंक आना ही चाहिए। तुम्हारा रैंक नहीं आया, इसका मतलब तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है इस सब्जेक्ट में या इस कोर्स में, तो इसे परस्यू करना है या नहीं सोच लो। रैंक तो कभी भी नहीं आया, ना आईपीसीसी में ना फाइनल में, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मेहनत नहीं की। मेहनत तो बहुत की यार, लेकिन जब भी कोई पूछता है पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड बात, तो वो बस यही चीज पूछता है, नंबर कितने आए, अटेम्प्ट्स कितने लगे, रैंक आया क्या। हर चीज को लोगों ने बस एक नंबर बनाकर रख दिया। 4 साल की मेहनत, जिसके बाद मैं सीए बनी, जिसके बाद हम सब सीए बनते हैं, उसके बाद सवाल क्या मिलता है, बस ये, कितने अटेम्प्ट में हुआ, अच्छा सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट, ओ अभी तक हुआ नहीं। हर चीज बस एक नंबर की तरह हमारी लाइफ में छप गई है। ऐसे लगता है ये नंबर हमारी लाइफ को डिफाइन करता है, और इसी की वजह से शायद हर वो बच्चा जो एग्जाम लिखता है, हर वो स्टूडेंट जो एग्जाम लिखता है, वो इतना प्रेशर फील करता है। अगर आप किसी को जानते हैं जो एग्जाम लिख रहा हो, तो प्लीज उनसे ये मत पूछिए कि उनकी पढ़ाई हो गई क्या, उनकी तैयारी हो गई क्या। अगर आप किसी ऐसे को जानते हैं जिन्होंने अपना प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम क्लियर कर लिया हो, तो प्लीज उनसे ये मत पूछिए कि कितने अटेम्प्ट में, कितने रैंक्स और कितने नंबर्स में। उन्हें कंग्रेचुलेट करिए, उनके आने वाले फ्यूचर के लिए उन्हें गुड विशेस दीजिए। और अगर आप वो इंसान है जो ये एग्जाम लिख रहे हैं और इस वक्त आप बहुत प्रेशर फील कर रहे हैं, तो मैं बस यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं समझती हूँ आपको। मैं जानती हूँ कि कितना प्रेशर फील कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली विद कोविड और ये जो अनसर्टेनिटी है अराउंड कोरोना वायरस। आई अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स आर डिफिकल्ट एंड इट्स नॉट फेयर। इस नैरेटिव को आप और मैं साथ में बदल सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके पहले आपको ये एग्जाम्स पार करने होंगे। और इसीलिए मैं और मेरे कुछ प्रोफेशनल साथी आपको ये बताना चाहते हैं कि अगर आप में कोई भी विश्वास नहीं करता है तो कोई बात नहीं, हम आप में पूरा भरोसा करते हैं कि हमें आप में 100% कॉन्फिडेंस है, और आपको हमारी तरफ से कोई प्रेशर फील करने की जरूरत नहीं है। इसीलिए यू कैन एंड यू विल। हो जाएगा यार, हो जाएगा। गुड लक।
I took 3 attempts to clear my CA final. Though taking 4-5 attempts in CA finals sounds very common, but those 3 attempts were very mentally challenging and traumatizing for me because I was sacrificing everything in my life, studying throughout the year, and seeing those failures 2 times in a row, that too in a year, was very difficult for me. So I had to prepare myself mentally. And but I had that belief in mind that one day I would become a chartered accountant. And the day I became a chartered accountant, the journey has been very beautiful. And trust me on this, guys, you can, you will. हो जाएगा यार, चक दे फटे.
With everything going around us, the uncertainty when things don't go as planned, it's very easy to get all negative and lose hopes. Trust me when I say this, because I have had my first-hand experience on it. So I am here to remind you all that this too shall pass. You can, you will. हो जाएगा यार.
Amongst all CA students, I've seen that everyone works very hard. They all put in their hours, they do their tuitions. But the ones who do really well are the ones who hold themselves mentally very strong. Because I think ultimately it's a mental toughness test. Because it's very stressful and there'll be a lot of anxiety getting built up when you see what your friends are doing, when you question the examination methods, whether you believe the system is right. But I think it's very important that you close out on all of that, because they won't help you at all. Even if things are not the perfect, they're not the fairest of all, it won't help you if you worry about it. It's important to have a tunnel vision, and you just given your best and you focus on that, because you've made the decision of doing CA, so no point regretting it, no point thinking retrospectively. You just look at the exam date and work hard. You can and you will. हो जाएगा यार.
Well, it took me 4 attempts to clear my Group 1 IPCC, and consecutively it took me 3 attempts to clear the Group 2. So you might have understood till now that how difficult my journey was. Not a cakewalk for sure, and it was so difficult for me to come up till here because I had been pressurized by my family. They were telling me to leave if I cannot. All my friends were getting cleared, so I also got this kind of a peer pressure. But I always had this determination to have those two letters, and I still have it, that no matter what, no matter how many attempts it takes me to get over there, but I still want those two letters in front of my name. That is CA Vedika Bajaj, that is for sure. And that's what I want to tell you. No matter how difficult the journey is and how difficult the situations are right now, you can and you will. हो जाएगा यार.
July/August/November/December exams. Yeah, you must have got it. Okay, so I'm just wanting to share my experience of IPCC Group 2. I took multiple attempts in the same. I also underwent through severe anxiety and depression at a certain point of time due to certain reasons. I just want to tell you that no matter how bad, you can grow out of it. The key to this is treating mental health as any other disease. But you have to look at it as a disease, and then you can find solutions. You can find the treatment and everything. So all the best. Keep going. Keep rocking. You can. You will. Tension मत लो, सब हो जाएगा यार.
I am a qualified cost and management accountant. I scored All India rank 46 in cost and management accountant final exam. I am also chartered accountant. When I am talking about my number of attempts, CMA in first attempt and CA 3 attempts. So attempt doesn't matter. It's all about your mind game. Yeah, you can say that the syllabus is too much lengthy. You can prepare strategically. Then you will. हो जाएगा यार. कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
So everyone has their own journey. My journey is having been I have faced a lot of difficulties, like everyone faces a different difficulties. From my side, I faced first just there are a lot of subjects for which I have not completed my tuitions classes and all, so I have to go that subjects from my own self. So that was my first difficulty. Another thing is to sit for long hours of study. I have to sit for that. There is probably every time an uncertainty for the examination, so the fear of what can be asked. Even after doing so much of practices, so much of reading and everything, we don't know what exams can be here. So these are kind of things of difficulties we face every time. So don't be get panic with these difficulties. We have to overcome these difficulties, and one thing, you can, you will. हो जाएगा यार, क्यों इतना करते हो?
In May 17, I had got 16 marks in audit for IPCC, and then later when I cleared, I got 76 marks. So it's been quite a journey, and I have made a lot of mistakes, I've learned a lot, and so if I can, you could too. And I would like to conclude by saying that you can and you will. हो जाएगा यार.
Still feels like a dream, but dreams only come true when you want them to come true. So if you ask me what is the mantra, first of all you have to believe yourself that you can do it, otherwise nobody will be able to help you in this. Secondly, whatever you have completed, whatever part of the syllabus you have completed, consider it to be your assets. Forget about the liabilities and just try to enhance and polish your assets, because Nelson Mandela also said it's always seems impossible until it's done. And so yeah, lastly I want to say, you can, you will, हो जाएगा यार.
So during my preparation time of CA intermediate, I got dengue fever, and because of that I lost a substantial part of my preparation time. Still I was able to clear both the groups in my first attempt. So men needs difficulties in life, so because they are necessary to enjoy the success. So if I can, so can you. You can and you will. हो जाएगा यार.
A lot of uncertainty is there that whether the exams are going to be conducted in July or in November or December. We honestly don't know about it, and the best we can do right now, according to me, is that see, everyone is having the same kind of pressure from the family and then self expectations and all. Everyone is having that, but the best we can do is that help mothers in doing the household work, because there's no household help right now, and meditate a bit, and stay a bit away from social media, because everyone is talking about the same thing, and every other faculty and all, and study whatever you can, because अभी एग्ज़ाम है, बाद में देने तुमको आएंगे, तो थोड़ा माइंड को रिलैक्स करके चलेंगे तो इट विल बी अ बेटर थिंग फॉर अस. एंड एट द एंड आई जस्ट लाइक टू से दैट यू कैन एंड यू विल, एंड हो जाएगा यार.
I know the situation around is tough, and perhaps you might get distracted with all of it. But let me tell you, the pressure of exams that we all face is what makes us more victorious. So please do not succumb to it. When I was preparing for my exams, even I used to get innumerable what ifs in my mind. What if I don't clear a subject? What if I don't clear a group? But then every night I used to ask myself just one thing: whether I had given my 200%. Because in the end, the effort lies in your hands, not the result. The effort determines the results. So please focus on your journey rather than the destination. Because in the end, you can, you will, and ho jayega yaar.
And I remember during the last month of the exam I was facing a lot of pressure, and I was not confident that whether the things I have learned, whether concepts that I have gone through, I remember it or not. I thought I just lost all of it, but revision helped me to gain my confidence back. So don't forget to take revisions, and you can and you will. हो जाएगा यार.
During the second year of my articleship, I enrolled myself for CS executive course. It was December 2018 attempt. I cleared second group, but I failed in first group. It was the first time in life in which I faced failure, being a topper student in the school, being praised by the teachers, being praised by the family members. I was not able to handle the stress. But subsequently I realized that what people think is success and failure, they are two opposite terms, but it is actually not so. Failure is a part of success. It's okay to fail, it's okay to have fear, it's okay to doubt yourself, it's okay to think that you might not be able to do this. But what is not okay is that you should never stop yourself. हो जाएगा यार, just chill.
So the first part is the most important one, which is to prepare a timetable. You have to make a day-wise timetable to ensure you are giving ample time to every subject and you are able to cover every subject at least thrice. Also, you have to give some buffer because every timetable will lag because you may have to see unforeseen circumstances. So that the second part is use YouTube. There's such good content on YouTube. You must use it to your benefit. There are teachers revising the entire syllabus in 6 to 7 hours, which is so refreshing to watch, and it also is a change of mind because you're continuously into your books. And the third thing is to stay in touch with maximum 1 or 2 people with whom you can solve your doubts, or you can take a break. Maybe you want a 15 minutes break someday, so you can talk to them. And I think if you follow all these 3 for the last 6 months before your exams, I'm sure you will succeed.
Actually, when I started the CMA ना मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था, but when during the journey I learned so many things. I enjoy the process and मतलब मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि ना it's a very awesome profession. Okay, बस क्यों मैं बोल रहा हूँ, because it allows us to embrace yourself, enhance our personality and enjoy the process. Because मैं यही बोल सकता हूँ, मैं बहुत enjoy कर, मेरे को रिजल्ट से ज़्यादा ना प्रोसेस में मज़ा आया, जर्नी में ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. ओके, congratulations once again all of you. Thank you family. You can, you will, हो जाएगा यार. Thank you.
When I started my journey, there were so many challenges for me. We all have challenges in our life. But one thing I learned, that people only see our results but not the challenges. So guys, please don't ever give up. Give your best. There are various scope for us in the market. Only we need to identify rather than stuck with the things like I have to go for the MNCs, I have to join the PSUs. Go for your dream. And one more thing, please don't study only to qualify, only to obtain good marks. Study for your dream, and I believe you will all get success. My best wishes is all of you. Best of luck.
believe that you can and you will. हो जाएगा यार.
Not very long ago, I was also on the other side of the screen. In fact, last year in June 2019, I took my last CA examination, and by God's grace, I graduated in August 2019 with exactly 50%. However, while I was taking those examinations, I did not have even the slightest of idea that it will be the last time I'll be signing those student attendance sheet. And that's the beauty of these examinations. If you work hard, have a systematic review plan, your signatures can change from a student's to that of an auditor within a fraction of minutes. However, for those magical minutes, you'll have to moil for hours, and it will be worth it in the end. That being said, I did have my own fair share of failure on my journey to the other side. In fact, those failures have made me truly realize the value of what I have with me today. Fun fact though, MS Dhoni, Cristiano Ronaldo and I have a profound love for number 7. Because for those two gentlemen, it represents their jersey number, and for me, it represents the number of attempts it took for me to reach on the other side. Now, before I conclude, I would like to iterate what the former President of United States, Barack Obama, had addressed towards the end in his last presidential address. Yes, we can. Yes, we did. And on a rather modified version of Jeetu Bhaiya's dialogue from Kota Factories, लास्ट तक पढ़ेंगे, सीए क्रैक करेंगे. हो जाएगा यार.
Oh my God, इन सब की बातें सुनकर मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं भी अगर एग्जाम अभी लिखूं तो मैं भी शायद पास कर दूं. आई होप इस वीडियो ने आपको हेल्प किया हो, मोटिवेट किया हो, पुश किया हो. प्लीज 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 अपने सपनों में विश्वास रखिए. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, बिलीव इन योर ड्रीम्स, बिकॉज वी रियली हैव जस्ट वन लाइफ. सो वी हैव टू ड्रीम इट एंड वी हैव टू लिव इट. एंड इसीलिए you can and you will.